Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Sainte-Flavie is a charming town, located on the beautiful Gaspé Peninsula in Quebec. This peaceful spot is known for its stunning coastal views along the St. Lawrence River. It's a perfect place to relax and explore nature, art, and history. One of the key highlights in Sainte-Flavie is the Centre d'Art Marcel Gagnon, an art gallery that showcases the works of local artist Marcel Gagnon. It's a great stop to appreciate the creative spirit of the region. Sainte-Flavie is surrounded by the beautiful landscapes of Parc National de la Gaspésie, where you can enjoy hiking, wildlife watching, and breathtaking views of the Gaspé mountains and valleys. The park is home to diverse wildlife, including moose and many bird species. If you're looking for outdoor adventure, Sainte-Flavie is perfect for activities like kayaking, cycling, and even whale watching. The town is located near the famous Route de Belvedere, a scenic drive that offers some of the best panoramic views in the region. Whether you're here for the natural beauty, the rich culture, or simply to relax, Sainte-Flavie is a true gem of the Gaspé Peninsula.
Thanks for watching!